Aspect believes in collaborative relationships and complementary expertise, which highlights the importance Aspect plays in finding the right partner, training them well, and enabling them to jointly promote the broad range of compelling Aspect solutions to customers across the world.
Channel partners are an important part of our inclusive strategy for growth. In today's environment, when I talked about technological changes, deployment changes, there is a need for somebody who puts it all together in this complex technology environment, because we're talking about integration of disparate systems, customers' own systems, and that's where an expert is required.
We believe in India and Middle East, partners are the key to our growth strategy. We have a fairly substantial base of our channel partners. They currently manage our customers' implementations and requirements in terms of using a product. They customize our solutions to suit customers' requirements. Some of our channel partners in the country, are very large system integrators like the likes of Wipro, HCL, HP, and we also have some specialized contact center providers like CS Infocom, VISNet. These are primarily partners in India, and we have a good set of partners in the Middle East as well, which cater to our customers' requirement.
Nothing is more critical than people for Aspect to maintain the growth momentum around the world, including India and the Middle East. With a portfolio that's expanding companies' reach beyond contact centers, Aspect is on the lookout for talent pool that shares the same feeling of customer obsession.
We constantly look out for right talent, nurture them, and work on a 360-degree parameter for their self-development. And we create inspired communities, and that's where Aspect is able to deliver what we have sorted out for our customers.
When we looked up at this transformation journey a few months back, we started to ask ourselves as to what is the purpose of our existence. And when we realized our purpose is to get our customers become better, to enable our customers to win, we then asked ourselves, how should we behave and how should we be supporting this purpose? We then came up with the 4 core values, which are namely customer obsession, unlock communications, relentless innovation, and inspired community. And those 4 core values are at the center of all our people processes.
Can people alone manage and deliver great customer experience, or enterprises need to have more than a good talent pool to manage their clients' ever-rising expectations in a complex conversation environment?
So, early days, it was simple for enterprises because they were only concentrating on simple telecalling. But with the conversation between the customer and the enterprise getting more and more complicated, the enterprise has to bring in more and more complex technology to achieve their customer engagement goals. So, to achieve that goal, they also need to have trained professional to manage their infrastructure. Now, if they are not in technology business, this becomes complicated for them. So we offer services like performance improvement. It's really a consulting program for our customers, where senior leaders from Aspect, who has a lot of industry experience, experts in the domain, spend time with the customer to do strategic consulting. They use innovative tools, and the outcome of this exercise is going to be a roadmap for the customer, which takes their business forward leap and bounds within the stipulated time period that we agree in the beginning of this engagement.
India for over 3 decades has been a favored outsourcing destination. Aspect has not only witnessed business growth in every region, but also is confident of resources available to be leveraged for their own outsourcing setups.
India's supremacy in outsourcing world is, I think, known for over a decade now, and we have seen the benefits of building large businesses in this country, whether it's in the IT field or the outsourcing field. And India remains to be the choicest destination, with the uniqueness that it offers in terms of the high talent pool, understanding of the processes, and then making an impact of customers' bottom line. And we thought as an Aspect that we do this all the time with our customers. We have several customers in this segment who are enabled by Aspect technology to deliver some of these advantages to their end customers. And as Aspect, we took the advantage of the same thing, and we now have invested into our finance services into India. We have created a shared services which serves our global offices. We also have our center of excellence here, which does global deployments for us. We also have our centralized order management and other few back office functions which are now in India. So, we want to take the advantage of the same location as well as the flexibility in terms of the business model that this country offers.
In the competitive global environment, having an effective finance and accounting function is one of the most fundamental essential of any business enterprise. Aspect in the month of February 2014 decided to outsource its functions to India, which I believe to be one of the preeminent milestone towards achieving the company's financial transformation strategy. The objective was to attain the strategic business value with having effective operations with requisite compliance and controls, resource optimization, achieving standardization, balancing between expense and growth, and maximizing the return on investment. Last but not least, on the cost advantage as well.
So just like Bangalore is known as a global technology hub, as well as a city that works around the clock, Aspect Customer Care also works in the follow the sun model. So it's staffed in Bangalore as well as in Dalian, China, and caters to the needs of customers in Asia Pacific and Middle East primarily, but also extends support to Europe, Africa, and the Americas as part of a global handover model. The team is staffed with well-trained frontline engineers, advanced diagnostic and support engineers, who use state-of-the-art technology to service our customers and ensure a global consistency in terms of quality for all our customers around the world.
A customer interaction center is expected to maintain quality consistently over a period of time across different mediums. From a basic call logging service to meet a regulatory requirement to overall contact center performance, Aspect helps clients meet and exceed their goals through quality management services.
From our product standpoint, we have very high quality standard right from the release management to the sustenance, and we have very controlled testing environment before the product actually hits the marketplace. It goes through a series of checks. On the deployment side, we have a 5P methodology which takes care of starting from planning to right up to the execution with series of activities that goes through business workshops, consultation with customers, including the user acceptance testing, and then we are able to deliver a completely integrated environment with the customer processes, and that's where we differentiate ourselves with our competitors.
Aspect Technology Center, which is the Bangalore center that we have here, started off way back in 2004. The quality assurance group started with just a handful of people then, right? But over the past decade or so, we've had almost 10 times the growth. And it's phenomenal because this group was expected to do testing for just about one or two products. But today, we have been, catering to almost every product release that happens with an Aspect, right? And if you look at it from an R&D standpoint, the quality quality assurance group is an integral part of that R&D function. And we cater to new development products that we release over a period of time. And then we also have these maintenance releases, products that have already gone into the field that we test, right? So it's kind of a mix of both these new development as well as the sustenance releases that we test within the quality assurance group.